Welcome to our technical analysis of Bmnr on Amex, based on July 9, 2025 closing data. Let's dive into the past 3 months. Starting April 10, Bmnr opened at 8.00 and closed at 8.00 with 210 shares traded. By July 9, it skyrocketed to 76.00, a 850% surge, hitting a high of 161.50 on July 3 and a low of 4.00 on June 26. Volume exploded to 14.92 million shares on July 9, showing massive interest. Now for the technicals, the 5-day SMA is 94.66, above the 76.00 close, while the 5-day EMA is 81.42, indicating a sharp pullback. The 20-day SMA at 30.88 and 50-day at 127.75 were cleared earlier, but the 200-day EMA at 48.39 suggests long-term resistance. Momentum indicators are mixed. The 14-day RSI at 57.04 is neutral after overbought levels. Williams %R14 at 63.79 signals oversold. MFI 14 at 80.21 shows buying pressure. The 10-day momentum is 56.38, reflecting volatility. CCI 3 at -33.74 is bearish. Trend signals are strong but weakening. The MACD line at 21.84 is above the signal line at 13.12, with a bullish histogram of 290, the ADX 100 at 44.40 confirms a robust trend, and a rune oscillator at -14.29 hints at fading momentum. Volatility is extreme, with a 14-day ATR of 20.81, implying daily swings of 27.38%. Bollinger Bands show the upper band at 113.16, middle at 30.88, and lower at -11.40, with the price near the middle band after a breakout. Parabolic SAR at 35.26 is below the price. A bullish signal. Volume metrics are massive. OBV at 241 million shows heavy accumulation. And Chaikin oscillator at -406 million indicates selling pressure. Stochastic RSI K5 at 29.52 and D5 at 56.00 suggest a potential bounce, while ultimate oscillator at 47.79 is neutral. 4 July 10's open, with a 76.00 close and VWAP at 60.54, expect an open between 72.00 and 80.00, likely near 75.50. Support is at the 5-day EMA of 81.42, 10-day SMA at 56.62, and psychological 70.00. Resistance lies at 90.00 and 107.48. The ATR projects a range of 55.19 to 96.81. In a bullish case, if volume stays above 10 million and RSI holds above 50, Bmnr could test 90.00 or 107.48. A bearish pullback to 56.62 or 70.00 is possible if selling persists. Consolidation between 70.00 and 80.00 is likely. Key takeaways: Bmnr's 850% surge, with a 14-day ROC of 1161.41, shows extreme momentum, but RSI and ATR suggest caution. Watch volume and news for catalysts. Can Bmnr reclaim 107.48 or retrace to 56.62? Drop your thoughts below.